It's now been 1 week since the start of the Paycheck Protection Loan Program. That program, created by Congress, aims to give small businesses enough money to survive the pandemic. Tonight, News 5's Caleb Perhne shows us how banks are trying to speed up the process as businesses wait for the boost they need to keep going.
Those Paycheck Protection loans cover up to 2.5 times of a small business's payroll, and it's extremely important. Here on State Street in Bristol, I counted only 8 businesses open this time last week. Now there are only 3 open, and one of those told me they're planning on closing because it's just too expensive to stay open. At the Burger Bar in Bristol, owner Joe Deal is seeing only a quarter of the business he usually gets. He's already had to lay off half his staff.
It's starting to get really gloomy right now, so we were kind of debating whether we were going to be able to stay open or not. If this loan goes through, this should keep us afloat and my staff.
Deal applied for his loan Tuesday, and banks are rushing to get the money out. The Bank of Marion received 100 applications before the program even started last week.
Implementing a $350 million project in a matter of days is unprecedented.
The bank has approved more than $15.5 million in loans so far for 163 businesses. Staff are working extra days to get the documents processed and the money distributed.
We've pulled in more resources within our bank to work on this last weekend, and even more resources over this weekend.
It'd be a lot quicker than we thought, that it would just be a matter of days, not weeks.
The demand for the program has been so great, Representative Phil Rowe worries there won't be enough money.
Let's just make sure it doesn't run out of resources so that someone comes in after the $350 billion is gone and there's nothing there for them.
That's expected to be dealt with in Congress's 4th coronavirus relief bill. Senator Tim Kaine says more testing for COVID-19 is also his focus.
There's no amount of economic aid that's going to be enough to get the economy going again if we don't handle the public health side of this right.
And the Bank of Marion expects the money for that first round of loans to go out on Monday. In Bristol, Caleb Perhne, News 5, WCYB.